Leo. How are you?
Great. Do you want to walk a little bit?
Let's walk.
So, what do you study at Georgetown?
I am an international politics major with a security focus.
What does that mean?
So basically what I do is I focus on like the security implications of human rights a lot. And right now I'm focused on like counterterrorism and the effects on people on the ground. So really cool.
What's your favorite time of day?
I really like the early evening. I feel like it's just such a vibey time. You listen to some good music, you sit outside, it's kind of nice.
What's your favorite movie the last 20 years?
Legally Blonde. Elle Woods is my spirit animal.
What have you read recently?
Ooh, I actually just finished Yellowface. I don't remember the author, but it was incredibly good. It was like one of the best books I've read in a while. So definitely recommend that. And then A Secret History, I read every single fall. So vibes.
Do you miss your hometown and what about it?
Yes and no. I miss the people from my hometown a lot, but the actual rural Pennsylvania hometown vibe is a little less than desired. But yeah, I miss the people.
Where are you from?
Hershey, Pennsylvania.
What's your go-to coffee order?
So it changes based on the season. If it's fall or like winter, if it's cold outside basically, I like a vanilla oat latte, and then in the summer I'll do like an iced caramel macchiato from Dunkin' because Dunkin' superiority, obviously.
What's your favorite holiday?
I really like New Year's because it's my birthday, so I get to have, you know, like a double whammy of everyone celebrating my birthday all over the world.
What are you most looking forward to?
Honestly, I'm just really looking forward to the way the delegates are going to interact with the material. We have some great topics for GAs this semester, and I just really am excited to see how the delegates are going to handle it.
Do you have any particular committee you're looking out for?
I mean, me and Ani have a favorite, which is dissect, but honestly, all of the topics are super interesting, and I really feel like they're going to be super informative and really helpful to get an intro to international relations.
What small luxury would you recommend to anyone?
A good book. I really feel like a good book can make or break a day. Like if I could have 30 minutes and just read, I'm in heaven. It's great.
What do you always carry with you?
That's a hard one. I mean, my phone, obviously, but usually I like to carry like gum. I don't know why. I've been like a very big gum phase lately, and I've just been like chewing a lot of gum. I don't know.
Okay. What's your favorite song lyric you can think of off the top of your head?
Favorite song lyric? I would say probably, I've listened to a lot of The Strokes, so like the adults are talking, you know, type of vibe.
Okay.
I don't know a song lyric, but like, yeah.
How do you unwind after a long day?
I really like to like hang out with my friends, really focus on, you know, just spending quality time together. I feel like at Georgetown it's so hard to really like connect with people and, you know, really make time for your friendships, and that's really something I try to do every day.
What are you okay with splurging on?
Clothes.
Do you have a particular brand?
Honestly, I've been on Depop a lot lately. I've been searching for a good dress for Corp Gala, so I'm very excited about that. That's my next splurge, I think.
What do you do with the Corp?
I work at UG, so that's like the one in Levy. It's like a very cute coffee house vibe, and then I cross over at a couple of other Corp locations.
Okay. Do you have a favorite restaurant in DC?
Favorite restaurant in DC? Honestly, probably like Bethesda Bagels.
Sleep with a bit.
Low key, I really love a good bagel sandwich, and so I would have to pick that.
Hit shuffle on your liked songs and explain what it means to you.
Oh God. So I'm an Apple Music user, which is a little embarrassing for me. I'm gonna hit shuffle a couple times and we'll see what comes up. Okay. We have From the Start, which is an amazing song. I listened to the song on repeat for about like 2 straight months over the summer. So it's really good. I honestly just love Lao Fei. I think she's really a great artist, very talented.
When do you feel most inspired?
Honestly, when I'm learning something new or something I haven't learned before, I really feel like that's a great time to like discover more about yourself and a little bit more about the world in general. No, it's okay, thank you.
What's your most treasured memory?
I would say I loved doing camping trips with my family growing up. Me and my mom she was a single mom, so it was really impactful that she made time for me and her to kind of go on these trips every October. And I've been going since I was like 6 months old, so really sweet.
What is your favorite personality trait of yourself?
I would say that I'm really dedicated, and I think that when I commit myself to something, I try to do it 100%. So I really like that about myself, I guess I would say.
And then someone else?
I would say in someone else, just the ability to be like kind and considerate. I think that's an undervalued quality right now, and I really do feel like people are genuinely nice to each other, but I think when you're kind to someone else, that's like the best personality trait you can have.
What's your biggest accomplishment?
Getting into Georgetown? No, I wouldn't say that. I actually was able to start this fundraiser for Ukrainian women at the beginning of the start of war in Ukraine. And in Pennsylvania, that was not easy. We raised a lot of money and we helped a lot of refugee women. And I would say that everything that I've done, that was the thing I'm most proud of. Do we want to step inside? We'll take the umbrella. Behind the scenes, a look into Neville's.
What's something you can't do?
Snap. I can't snap, I never learned how. Kind of,
Okay, yeah.
vibes, but yeah.
Would you 5 years ago be surprised by where you are now?
100%. 5 years ago, I thought I was going to be like a neurosurgeon and go to Harvard and just not generally be where I am now. But I am happy that I ended up where I did.
What's the perfect gift for you?
I would honestly say just like an experience, something that you saw or heard about that you wanted to do together. I'm a big quality time person, so I think that's like a great gift.
What's the last gift you gave someone else?
The last gift I gave someone else, ooh, it's actually a tough one. Oh, I got my boyfriend a couple of like postcards from the places that we went together for his birthday, so yeah.
Something you have always dreamed about doing and you haven't had the chance to do that?
I've always wanted to mountain bike around Iceland. This is like a big dream of mine. I love to mountain bike. I started doing it when I was like 11, and I try to do it a little bit like every summer and like early fall. But there's this mountain biking trip in Iceland, and they take you around like 8 days, and it just sounds so incredible. And like, I'm not that good yet, but like I want to be one day.
What's an experience that significantly shaped you?
I would say honestly, growing up in like a swing state was a really big impactful experience for me. And like I took a gap year and I worked on the Shapiro election in 2022. And it was honestly a super impactful experience for me. It opened my eyes to a lot about domestic politics and public policy, and it really made me more passionate about international affairs.
Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us.
Yeah, thanks Leo.